I'll start by picking up 12 seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I've only got a small length of threading material here because this is for a demonstration. I've done stages down here excuse me, to save you watching me doing the repetitive stuff over and over again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right, so I've got my 12 there. And then we tie a knot in that, like that, and then another one. There we go. There we are. Then we go away from the thread where the knot is. We go away from the knot, I should say, and then we go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we pick up 5 seed beads, and a bicone, and another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we're going to do is go back through the one we're coming out of. So we're coming out of this one here, so we're going to go back through there and up through the next 2 like that, and then you'll see when we pull. I'm going to cut that tail off actually because it's going to get in the way. And as you can see, when you pull you get that nice little leaf type shape. So let's see where we are. Okay, so now we pick another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we go again through the one we're coming out of, through that and up through the next 2, and then we get, as you can see, we've got this, oh, coming undone a bit there. There we go. So as you can see, we've now got our circle and we've got the leaves coming off it. So what I'm going to do is move over and show you, to save you watching. We've got one here. Now I've gone all the way around, and when we reach the last one, we're coming out of that bead there and we're going to go back through that bead. We're not going to go through that bead and up through 2. We're just going to go up through that one, and that will give us 6 of those lovely little leaf shape. Let me pull that like that. So there. Okay, so what we've got to do now is we're going to work our way through, and we're going to go up through there, through that one. There we go. Through there, through there, and then we're going to work our way round like that. Go round like that, excuse me, and then we're going to go up through those 5 beads there. So we're going to go up there, through there. There we go. And then we're going to pick up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to go up, round and up through that one. There we go. There we are. Now we're going to pick up 1 and we're going to go up and through the bottom one of the next leaf, like that. So we're now joining up the leaves. So then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Through that one on the other side, like that. Pick up 1. Again, go back through that one. And then we've joined those 2 leaves together like that. Okay, so I'm going to put that one on one side. We've done that one now. So here I've got one that's got several already done. So we're going to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up through that one, like that. Pick up 1, up through the last one in that, on that leaf, like that. Whoops. And pick up 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back up through there, like that. And we've now got our little flower. So we're going to go down here, go down 1, 2, 3. Pick up 2. Directly opposite, we're going to go up through there, there we go. Pull those 2 tight, and then we're going to go back through this one, back through the middle one, pick up another one, add another seed bead, and go back through the one, the other one. There we go, like that. So we now have that lovely little which, if I pick that one up, we've now got in the same place there. So I'm going to put that to one side. So we've worked our way down, work all our way back, round and down and through there, and then we're going to pick up another 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, pick up another one of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 and 1, and we're going to go back through that one we've come out of, like that. So we've got that. So now we're going to work our way back down those 5. There we go, like that. Pick up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. That one's 7. Go through that one on the other side. Whoops. Through that one there. There we go. So now we've got a nice little leaf. So now we go all the way back up there, and we make a loop on the top of there. So all the way up, make a loop so that we have a loop there to fasten our shepherd's hooks on. And then we've got a nice pair of earrings. They look beautiful.